In this first step, we'll create our company in Odoo and understand what happens behind the scenes when we do. Let's begin by going to Settings, then Companies, and clicking Create. Here, we'll enter the company name. I'm calling mine Katy, Texas. Add your company address, phone number, and email, and upload your logo. This information will automatically appear on your invoices, purchase orders, and reports, giving them a professional look. Next, we'll enable the accounting localization. Select your fiscal localization package based on your country. For example, choose United States, Accounting, to load the U.S. chart of accounts and tax setup. Click Save and Odoo will automatically create the default accounts, taxes, and reports for your region. Once that's done, open Accounting, Configuration, Chart of Accounts to review the accounts Odoo just created. You'll see standard accounts such as product sales, cost of goods sold, and inventory valuation. You can rename or add accounts later if your business requires more detailed tracking. Now, go to Accounting, Configuration, Taxes to review your default tax setup. By default, Odoo applies a generic sales tax rate based on your localization package. Since this company is based in Texas, we'll modify it to reflect the local Texas sales tax rate. Click on the default tax, update the tax name, and set the percentage rate to match your region's current rate, for example, 8.25% for Texas. You can also add city or county level taxes if applicable. Viewers in other states or countries can adjust these settings according to their own local sales tax or VAT requirements. Next, we'll configure inventory valuation, which determines how your stock movements update accounting. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Settings, and under Valuation, select Perpetual Automated to make sure every stock movement creates journal entries. Then choose your costing method: average cost, AVCO, FIFO, or standard price, depending on how you manage product costing. This ensures that your inventory value and cost of goods sold always stay accurate in real time. Now, let's set up the warehouse. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Warehouses, and click Create. Enter a warehouse name, for example, Main Warehouse, Katy, and assign it to your company. You can also add a short code like Katy for easy reference. After saving, Odoo automatically links this warehouse to your company and creates its main stock location. Next, we'll configure the locations that control how products move through your system. Go to Inventory, Configuration, Locations, and click New. Create the key locations you'll use every day. After saving, Odoo automatically maps these locations under your warehouse. From now on, every product movement, from vendor receipts to customer deliveries, will be tracked automatically, ensuring accurate inventory valuation and smooth stock operations. And that's it. You've successfully created your company, enabled fiscal localization, reviewed your chart of accounts, and configured your warehouse and locations. These steps build the foundation for your accounting and inventory automation in Odoo.